Hi, I'm B-Boy Bill, and this is the Queen Castle Inspection. If you remember from last week, we took a frame from both of our Hive A and our Hive B and put them into our Queen Castle. I wasn't so sure what I was going to end up with, so I invited Jim over today to take a look with me. We're going to get into this Queen Castle as soon as Jim gets here, see what's going on, and take a look at our other two hives. So, get some built on the side over there. Not too thrilled about that. Let's see what's going on with this. That doesn't look like much of anything on here. Drone cone, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, more drone.
There's a larva in that Queen Castle. You see that? Or that queen cell?
Yeah.
What are the chances it's a queen and not a laying worker?
Well, it probably was meant to be a queen, all right, but I'm a little bothered by the fact that the attendants weren't right on top of it, you know.
This one I'm a little more hopeful because this one had the queen cell in to begin with.
You know, it bothered me a little bit. I mean, up here it's fine, I guess, but that there's no bees down here, I worry about this getting chilled, is what I'm thinking. Let's see.
No, I'm not real thrilled with this here.
If they were totally demoralized thinking they don't have a queen and so on, they sure are quiet and calm for that condition. You know? I mean, they should be more agitated if they were concerned.
Yeah.
And it's very, I mean, it is possible they got a queen cell in there, especially since we got kind of a double comb going there for a little bit of it. And
yeah.
Who knows, you know?
Well, we can certainly throw them in another nuke. And
yeah.
I think what we'll do is put this right here. And then we're going to put one of these. Oh, let's follow it. That's right. This one was the Queen Castle, and because the comb was built so thick, I could only put one frame in there. My intention was to put two frames. I didn't even know what to think about this one. There's just so few bees on here, but they do have that one queen cell right there.
Yeah, they should be claiming all over it though, and that bothers me.
I call that the Queen Castle failure.
Well, there's an excellent looking queen cell on the very bottom of the wax.
Where are you looking?
About where my thumb is.
Oh yeah.
When it's fully capped, I do believe.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
But now where's the queen? We got two queen cells in here and no queen.
Well, we'll take our time. This is a single frame, isn't it? That's not
Yeah.
good. So we'll find her. It's just a matter of continuing to look at it.
What do you think about adding this one to one of our other frames?
To one of the ones we just looked at?
From the Queen Castle that's kind of weak. This one
Yeah.
definitely has a queen cell on it.
I like that idea. I kind of do.
Okay, you hold that one for me and we'll stick her in here. Well, as you can see, the queen castle was a failure. But we did find a nice queen cell in Hive A. We put in one of the other frames in the queen castle. Hopefully by our next inspection, this queen will have been hatched out and should be out on her mating flights. Not exactly sure what happened with our queen castle, but I'm going to chalk it up to a learning experience. I'm B-Boy Bill, and thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of what I'm up to, please click the subscribe button.